roller coaster ride. Hello everybody, we're going on a ride. You ready for that? Are you guys ready to ride? No,
Oh, is that a video? I'm like,
hell yeah. This is what we're doing.
no, it doesn't. It doesn't move.
Uh-oh. We're in the Blue Mountains.
All you have to do is just scream.
Okay. No, we don't want to scream.
All right.
Julie, take a picture of your mother while she's screaming.
We're gonna videotape.
I'm videotaping.
Oh my God! Woo! We're scared. We're scared.
Don't
JJ,
When you get into the
record your head. How am I gonna videotape this?
I'm doing.
Wait, look at your head. She's shooting herself. I'm not shooting myself.
Keep your hand inside, eh?
I don't want to play anymore. Oh, I'm gonna have to do it like through this. We're taking the train down the hill. I'm scared. I'm scared too. Don't worry.
Ready?
Hold on. Look at my protection. Alright, this is the scary part.
Down we go. Down we go. Oh my God! I'm gonna pee. I'm gonna pee. I'm gonna pee. I'm gonna pee.
That's how it is, mommy. She's screaming.
Go ahead! Abby, where are you? Hello!
Dori has a nice view. Very nice. It's a nice.
Very nice. Very much like
Oh, we're done. Great success. Great success.